Oppo introduced the Reno series this year with 3 models instead of the usual 2. The Oppo Reno 3 Pro comes in the middle of this series because it is higher than the standard model and lower than the flagship model. Reno 9 Pro features a 6.7-inch centered punch hole curved OLED, the same display used in Oppo A1 Pro before. The curved screen also comes with a touch sampling rate of 360 Hz and has a pixel density of 394 ppi. The FHD Plus panel offers 10-bit color depth, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 950 nit peak brightness level, and the phone offers an under-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock detection, which makes it more attractive and premium. It can support the HD Plus resolution of 1080 pixels along with the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The Oppo Reno 9 and Reno 9 Pro has a glass sandwich construction. They measure 7.19 mm is thickness and weigh 175 gram. They offer multiple connectivity options like dual SIM, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GNSS, NFC and USB Type-C. In terms of user interface and operating system, the Reno 9 Pro is powered by ColorOS 13 based on Android 13. Like the other 2 models, the mobile is powered by the Dimensity 8100 Max octa-core processor, a semi-flagship chip from MediaTek, 16GB RAM. Oppo Reno 9 Pro is fueled by a LiPo 4500 mAh battery and 67-watt fast charger adapter in the box. Reserved wired PD, this device can be charged 35% in 10 minutes and 100% in 44 minutes according to advertised by Oppo. The Dual arrives with the same autofocus enabled 32 megapixel RGBW selfie camera. However, the rear camera systems are different between the two. For photography, there is a dual camera setup on the back. The Reno 9 Pro sports a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 camera, no optical image stabilization, and an 8 megapixel ultra shooter. At the front, there is a 32 megapixel camera for selfie and video calls. For autofocus support, the Reno 9 Pro is offering you great camera features that will let you take amazing shots and videos, even in low lights. There is some powerful hardware that ensures users will complete all of the tasks and ease. At least there is also a large battery and beautiful display so that users get non-stop entertainment in high quality. This video is recorded by Oppo Reno 9 Pro, and I'm recording this video from 32 megapixel front camera. It has 1080p and 720p. It doesn't support 4K video recording. The weather is pretty good and you can see the colors. I hope you can hear me clearly. This is the result of front camera. Now I'm recording from the back camera, which is 50 megapixel, and it has Silicon chipset for the videos and pictures recording. The colors are pretty good and you can see. And now I'm recording the video, still recording from the back camera. You can use this phone as a vlogging. This phone is pretty good, I guess. I like the Oppo because Oppo is working collaborating with Silicon, so that's why they put more effort for giving the more good quality for using the cameras and other stuff as well. Now it's time our sponsor. Nowadays, many of websites know your locations through your IP address. Your IP address reveals your location, and these websites often store all your data. The country and the region you are visiting the websites from is known to them, and VPN hides it. It hides your IP address. In my opinion, the best VPN app is NordVPN, which I use it regularly because I live in China, and you know, in China many websites are blocked such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, etc. NordVPN is one of the only VPNs that work even in countries like China. NordVPN helps to unblock the blocked websites everywhere. NordVPN has sponsored this video, so there's a big discount for you guys. If you use my referral link and purchase the 2-year plan, first you would get a big discount, and then you will also get 2 or 3 months free. And the best thing is that they give a 30 days money back guarantee. You can try for 30 days to see. If you don't like it, they will return your money. The link is in the description. Now it's time to back to our video. The Oppo Reno 9 Pro comes in 3 different colors: bright moon black, tomorrow gold, and slightly drunken color options. Whereas the most beautiful color is in Reno 9, because that color can be exclusively availed in all these red color variant as well. The Reno 9 series sale already started from December 2 in China. Just like previous generations, they should make their way to other markets in the coming weeks. I wish you does like my videos and hope you to consider to subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for new videos. I will see you in the next one. Bye.